Welcome to the English grammar class, dear students. So I shall begin after taking the pledge. I commit to be vigilant and bear in mind at all times the risk to myself and my colleagues from COVID-19. I promise to take all necessary precautions that prevent the spread of this deadly virus. I promise to follow and encourage others to follow the key COVID appropriate behaviors. To always wear a mask, face cover, especially when in public places. To maintain a minimum distance of 6 feet from others. To wash my hands frequently and thoroughly with soap and water. Together we will win this fight against COVID-19. So in the previous assignment, we have studied about the traditional format of writing a formal letter. So in the traditional format, we write the address of the letter writer at the top, followed by date, and then the receiver's address, followed by the business heading. Then we write the content in the form of body paragraphs, and then the subscription, which is yours sincerely, comma, and then the name. So now please open up your books at page number 248. Subject matter. A business letter should be brief and to the point. There is no need for showing creative or imaginative skills in this type of assignment. Second point is, let your letter be clear so that the reader knows exactly what you want. Third point is, maintain the necessary formal tone. Be businesslike. Use a straightforward style which tries to say exactly what it means. Fourth point is, be polite in your expression. This principle holds good even in a letter of complaint. So even if you are writing a letter of complaint, then do not forget to be polite. Fifth is, set out your letter correctly. Be accurate in your language, expression, spelling and punctuation. Let us move to the solved examples. The first example is, write a letter to the chairman, Rural District Council, complaining about the lack of transport facilities in your area. Now the subject of this letter is about the lack of transport facilities. So let's begin. First of all, we will write the address. Nirja House, village, Shivpura, UP 271207, full stop. Now this is the address of the letter writer, which means this is your address. Then we will write the date, 5th of August 2008, full stop. Then we will write the address of the addressee. So we are writing this to the chairman. So the chairman, Rural District Council, District Baharaj, comma. Then the salutation, which is dear sir, comma. I am writing to you on behalf of the residents of village Shivpura to draw your attention to the deplorable state of public services in this area. So in the first line we have mentioned the subject of the letter. Why we are writing this letter? This letter is about the state of public services in the area. The transport is so poor, it is practically non-existent. The old road which was constructed many years back has been washed away in places by the rains, and there are now large potholes in it. So the road of the area is in the damaged condition, dilapidated condition, and there are holes in it everywhere. Even the bridge across the Ghagra river has now been rendered unsafe for the use of heavy vehicles. So even the bridges there are not safe. We find ourselves virtually cut off from the outside world because they cannot use the bridge, so they are kindly cut off out of the outside the world. In emergencies, life can be endangered. There is also tremendous inconvenience because of the lack of transport facilities. Trucks cannot reach the village due to the poor condition of the bridge. So all the produce from our fields have to be carried on bullock carts and dumped in the next village to be carried from here to the grain market for sale. So they are having this inconvenience in the transport facilities, and they cannot sell their grains directly using the trucks. They are using bullock carts, which is inconvenient. This is a great waste of time and labor. The elders of the village would very much like to meet you as well as any other councillors who could spare their valuable time to visit us. So they would be pleased if you could give us a date in the near future when you could visit them to discuss these pressing problems. So thanking you, then the subscription, yours faithfully, comma, and then the name or signature, Indresh Sharma. So that's all about the one example. Now let's read the second example. Letter of complaint to the police about the movements of some suspicious looking characters in your locality. So मतलब आपके locality में कुछ suspicious लोग घूम रहे हैं, तो उनके लिए complaint के लिए ये letter है. So we will again begin with the address of the letter writer, that means your address. L63 Krishna Lok Colony, Kanpur Road, Lucknow 226005, full stop. Then the date 6th of July 2008, full stop. The address of the receiver, the station house officer, Krishna Lok Police Station, Lucknow 226005, full stop. Salutation, here is sir, I wish to draw your attention towards the movements of some suspicious looking characters in our locality since the past few days. So in the first line, we have discussed about the subject of the letter. Then these men have never been seen in our locality before this. They are usually found huddled together late in the evening smoking something which could well be drugs. So they are unknown people and no one in the area knows them. And they are smoking something which could be drugs. The residents of our locality fear they are up to no good and they could also prove dangerous to the children who play in the park. So this can be unsafe for the children who are playing in the park because those people can be something suspicious, something dangerous. So I hereby request you to kindly investigate this matter and take appropriate action at your earliest so that the residents of this locality can be at peace once again. So in the last line we have requested the police officer to investigate it properly so the residents can be at peace. Then concluding line can be thanking you, subscription, yours faithfully, and the name Savan Chaudhary. So that's it. Make sure that you have written these two in your fair notebooks. All the very best.